Hi, this is Ken with Village Green, giving you your latest irrigation update. So this is a little bit of an unusual video for us in that I've recorded this video in early April, and this is showing winter damage in St. Augustine. And by now you're probably wondering, okay, it's middle of summer, it's really hot. Why in the world would I be getting a video on winter damage? The reason I'm sending this out is to show you what winter damage can look like if we've underwatered the lawn over the summertime. A lot of the freeze damage that we'll see over the winter time comes from underwatering over the summer. And what'll happen is we let we underwater the lawn, and the St. Augustine turns brown and looks like hay over the summertime. Well, what happens when we do that is it damages the root system. If we have a really bad cold snap like we did this year, then the lawn will get damaged because the root system was already damaged over the summertime. So this is my reminder by sending out what freeze damage actually looks like to kind of caution you. I know we want to save on our water bill over the summertime. When we do that, it can get pretty expensive sometimes because we can cause so much damage that we might even have to replace the lawn at times. And so a little bit of extra watering over the summertime might be able to save from freeze damage over the wintertime. This is Ken with Village Green. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and send them on to your friends and family. Village Green, local experience you can trust.